na nagbabasa.
Buti lakas ang energy.
Lagi naman.
Hi,
Dear Char.
Yari para tayo.
Naka-play na yan. Ah, seryoso. Baka mag... Ah! Hi! Hi, Bianca! We're here in 7-Eleven right now. Kain ko na ng coffee. I love their coffee here, French vanilla. So, mukhang 10 hours na naman ako hindi matutulog. Happy! Hyper. Anyways, how are you there in Vegas? I'm with Joy, Angel, and Trisha. Ikot sa camera para makita kayong tatlo. Ikaw! Dapat ikaw din, mag-video ka naman. Lagi namin ikaw ginagawa ng video greeting. Dapat you make a video greeting for us also. Ganito. Hi, Bella! How are you? Kamusta ka na dyan? Ganon. Para nakikita ka rin namin. Hindi yung laging picture na ka ganon. Kita yung like. Gusto ka na rin namin makita. So, i-video mo yourself mo, please. And then post it on YouTube para mapanood namin. Save ko sa phone ko. Wala rin. Popost ko. So, ayun. Anyway, it's already midnight here in the Philippines. And magbe-midnight talk na. Midnight talk. Gusto mo yan, Angel? May message ka ba kay Bianca? Ikaw, Joy. May message ka ba kay Bianca? Message. Text na lang daw nila.
Tweet na lang.
At tweet na lang natin later. Anyway, ayun. We miss you here in the Philippines. Sana makita ka naman namin. And, na-sign ko na yung Gadget Mag. So, wait for it na lang. I heard your brother-in-law's coming. Sana get to meet him. Si, yung brother-in-law niya, husband ni Amber. So, uwi si Amber.
Yung brother-in-law.
Well, I hope I meet you guys one day. 2013, malapit-lapit na rin yun. Dala mapatapos na yung 2011. Ang bilis-bilis ng panahon. So, I'm sure malapit na mag-2013. I'll see you then. Anyway, in the meantime, this is for you. Ayan. Ingat ka palagi dyan. Bye-bye! I love you!
Yan yung